Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, September 17, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hi David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to wake up. Got a long day ahead.
Same here. I've got a big meeting this morning.
Oh, meetings, always a blast. Haha, hope it's not too boring.
I hope so too. I just want to get through it.
You'll be fine. Hey, did you catch any news this morning?
A little bit. What did you see?
There's this big story about a trade deal. It's between the US and the EU.
Oh yes, I saw that on CNN. They're working on new rules for trade?
Yeah, exactly. They want to lower some taxes on stuff we sell.
That's good news. It could help businesses like ours.
For sure. Maybe I can sell more products to Europe now.
That would be great for your sales goals. Less cost means more chances.
Oh, I hope so. I could use a bigger bonus this year.
Don't we all? It's nice to see countries teaming up like this.
Yeah, it's a change. Usually it's all about fighting over money.
True. Cooperation can make things better for everyone.
Let's hope it works out. I'm tired of hearing about trade problems.
Me too. It affects so many jobs, you know.
Oh, totally. My clients are always worried about costs going up.
I get that. We feel it in projects too, with budgets and all.
Yeah, everything connects. Hey, speaking of news, did you hear about a tech update?
No, what's that about? Tell me.
It's a big update for a work app. I read it on the Washington Post.
Oh, really? What kind of app is it?
It's for tracking projects or tasks. They added new tools to make work faster.
That sounds helpful. I manage projects, so I might need that.
You should check it out. Could save you some time on planning.
I hope so. I'm always looking for ways to keep things on track.
Haha, anything to make the job easier, right? Tech is a lifesaver.
Yes, it is. But sometimes it's hard to learn new stuff.
Oh, I know. I'm not great with new apps at first.
Same here. I need time to figure them out.
Yeah, but once you get it, it's worth it. Less stress.
That's true. I'll look at this update after my meeting.
Good idea. Let me know if it's any good.
I will. Thanks for the tip, David.
No problem. I like sharing useful stuff.
That's nice of you. It helps to stay updated.
For sure. Oh, and there's another story I saw. It's about movie awards.
Movie awards? No, I didn't see that. What happened?
It's all over the New York Times. A big award show gave prizes to new films.
Oh, that's cool. Which films got awards?
One was a drama about family life. They said it's super emotional.
I like dramas. Maybe I'll watch it soon.
You should. They also gave a prize to a funny movie.
A comedy? That's great. I could use a good laugh.
Haha, same here. Work gets so serious sometimes.
Yes, it does. A funny movie might cheer me up.
Totally. I might watch it too, just to relax.
Good plan. It's nice to take a break with something fun.
Oh yeah, we need that balance. Can't be all work and no play.
So true. It keeps us going, doesn't it?
For sure. Hey, how's your project coming along, by the way?
It's okay, just very busy. I'm checking emails nonstop.
I feel you. My inbox is full of client messages all day.
We never get a break, do we? Coffee is my only help.
Oh, coffee is my best friend. Can't do anything without it.
Me neither. It's the only way to start the morning.
Totally. I'd be asleep at my desk without this cup.
Same. It's like fuel for the day.
Exactly. Hey, do you think this trade deal will really change things?
I think it might. Lower costs could help a lot of companies.
Yeah. I hope my clients notice. They always want cheaper prices.
I get that. For projects, we need to save money too.
It's all about the budget, right? Fingers crossed for good news.
Yes, let's hope. It could make our jobs a bit easier.
That's all I want. Less stress, more wins.
Same here. We work hard enough already.
Oh, we do. Hey, back to that app update. Do you use many tech tools?
I try to. They help keep my team organized.
That's smart. I should use more, but I'm a bit slow with tech.
It's okay. You just need to start small and learn.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe I'll ask you for tips later.
Sure, I'm happy to help. It's not so hard once you try.
Thanks, Alex. I'll hold you to that.
No problem. We're all learning together.
True. Oh, and about those movies, do you watch a lot of films?
Not too many, but I like to when I have time.
Same here. I usually watch on weekends to unwind.
That's a good idea. It's a nice way to relax.
Yeah, after a crazy week, I need it. Work can be too much.
I know. A movie can take your mind off things.
For sure. Maybe we can share some movie ideas next time.
I'd like that. It's fun to talk about stuff outside work.
Totally keeps things light around here.
Yes, it does. We need that sometimes.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I think I've been here too long. Better get back.
Me too. I've got some reports to finish.
Oh, reports. Good luck with that.
Thanks. Good luck with your sales calls.
Haha, I'll need it. Have a good day, Alex.
Thanks, David. Have a good day, too.
See you later.
See you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.